Hello beauty, today I have one recipe for you, which is natural lactive water, which is going to help you to go to the bathroom. Beauty, welcome to Vhen Beauty channel. If it's your first time here, my name is Vhen, and in this channel we talk more about skincare, and also we do lifestyle, and we do vlog, and we do DIY, and we do such of different things. If it's your first time, you're just passing by, and welcome, and don't forget to like and to subscribe for this channel. And thank you for my old goodie buddy. And yeah, today I'm taking you guys to my kitchen because we're going to make something special for drinking. I always prepare my drink in the night because it's quite a little bit calm in the house. I prepare things in the night, and today I'm going to prepare a natural lactive and detox water. But in this recipe you can make it, and you can juice it, or you can blend it, or you can make it in water. But today I'm going to make it in lactive detox water, and this water can help you to relieve constipation and bloating, especially if you're a kind of person like me who has gained weight, or have a problem of weight loss, or you just want to maintain your body, or maintain your skin. All the product I'm going to use is there's a vitamin, is anti-inflammatory, and all those things are very good. What I'm going to use here, I'm going to use ginger. The ingredient we're going to use ginger and lemon and grapefruit and orange and mint and mint. All those ingredients are very good for the body, and also very good for the skin. This water is not only for relieving constipation or bloated, and it's also good for the skin, to clear your skin, to glow your skin as well. But in this topic, I'm going to make it like it's a lactive, because it's going to help you to cleanse, to detox your tummy, to cleanse your tummy. And this water is going to help you to cleanse your tummy, to your system, to detox your system. Also, if you're constipated, it's going to help you to relieve the constipation, which you can go, you know what I mean. But I'm not taking much of your time. We're going to go in the process of making our recipe. Thank you. Let's continue to watch. We need this is our ingredient. We already washed it, and now we're going to cut it and to make it in water. But you can juice it, like I said, you can juice it or blend it. But today I'm going to decide to juice it for drinking in the morning, to leave it overnight, drink it in the morning. Okay, what we need here, we just need to cut this. I'm not going to use everything. We're just going to cut some. cover. We're going to cover it. Yeah, to leave it for. That's what my water is. I'm going to drink it. Hope you guys like it or enjoy the recipe, and also don't forget to like and to subscribe our video, and don't forget to follow us on Instagram, which is Vhen Beauty, and Facebook, which is Vhen Beauty, and Snapchat is Vhen Beauty, and TikTok is Vhen Beauty. And yes, don't forget to follow us, and don't forget to like and to subscribe this video. Thank you. See you to the next video. Thanks.